You know, when days, well, just getting started seems to take a long time. Just making the effort to set everything up and get going, you kind of lose your enthusiasm. That's what I'm feeling right now. After all, this is a huge project. It really is the biggest project I've ever taken on. And when I look at this van as a whole, I do find it really overwhelming. That's why I'm not really concentrating with what's going on in here right now. I'm just trying to concentrate on getting under the bed storage area sorted out. After all, once I've sorted out the under bed storage area, then I can start fitting batteries and so on and so forth and sorting out all my electrics. If I look at this as a whole thing, it really does become just overwhelming. So if you're struggling with your camper van build like I am right now, just try and bear that in mind. Try and compartmentalise everything. Do one little section at a time, and every day you'll have a win. Every time you complete one project, you know you're one step closer to the final end result. Try and picture your van finished and what you're going to be doing in that van once it is finished. Yeah, I've not been feeling it this week at all. Yeah. So let's finish off where I left off last time, and that is trying to get the underbed storage area finished so that I can crack on and get some electric sorted out in this van. So this is a little bit of a mock-up of what I'm going to do on each side of this sliding drawer. It's kind of a long lock-up compartment. So underneath here I can store stuff like shovels, spades, my metal detecting equipment, anything that's long and dirty, I don't know, like chairs and stuff can all be slid underneath here. So I think while the weather's on our side, I'm going to start off by fitting this permanently. Now that I've seen it and I'm happy with it, it fits nice and slug. There's no slug, nice and snug. There's no waste of space. So let's get fitting this in. Now I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this, but this part is the bit that goes up against the sliding drawer. I need it to be vertical. So I think what I'm going to do, use my set square like this, use a L bracket, simply screw the L bracket like that, do 3 of these, and then we'll see how it sits. I'm going to do a little pilot hole first, just to make sure we get this nice and level. And the screws I'm using are 4mm by 16mm long. So they're a little bit too long, but that's okay. We can trim them down. Just don't want it getting screwed to the bench, that's all. There is a little tiny bit sticking through there, so I'm going to get an angle grinder and just file those off. Right, that's it. So now we've got that piece, we need, I need to just drill some countersink holes Don't really want the screws visible, so I'm going to put one about 10 inches back there. What do I do at the bottom? Put there. Because you want it held snug against that side. So I think top and bottom, to be honest. We should have enough room. There we go, plenty of room. Now, how close is it? Let's have a look. Let's get those in. Yeah, plenty of room, look. Absolutely rock solid. Oh, that hurt my ears. It's like a sound box. Anyway, there you go. That's my new shelf. And also somewhere to slide all my metal detecting paraphernalia. Yeah, still got to line it yet. I'm going to line this with some rubber matting. Right. Whew.